My Corsair Titan AIO is here, so it's finally time to rebuild my stream PC. Let's get to it. Well, that was easy. It's time to set up my stream PC again. Huge shout out to Corsair for providing a new power supply, new case, and new AIO, and there's gonna be more parts to come in the future. So make sure you're following to see the upgrades that we still have coming.